Have you ever wondered why some children never receive a single vaccine? These are zero-dose kids. Hope, barriers, resilience. Let's break down the reasons, and more importantly, the solutions. First, geography. Imagine a family living deep in the mountains, or on an island cut off by floods. There's no clinic nearby, sometimes not even a road. It's not just rural areas either. Kids in crowded city slums, or those constantly moving across borders, often slip through the cracks. The answer? Mobile clinics, outreach by local volunteers, motorbikes, boats, and other transport solutions to reach every child. And when families move, cross-border teamwork keeps kids from being forgotten. Second, socioeconomic barriers. Poverty means a parent might choose a day's wage over a trip to the clinic. Migrant families aren't on any lists, and some children work on the street instead of going to school or the clinic. It can change. Incentives, transport vouchers, flexible hours, and NGO support to register mobile families make vaccination feasible. Third, health system weaknesses. Sometimes parents arrive to find no vaccines or the clinic is closed. Too few health workers, poor planning, and missing follow-up mean kids just get missed. Solutions include stronger supply chains, real-time tracking, and digital reminders for parents. Training health workers and integrating vaccination into all health services can turn things around. Fourth, social and cultural barriers. Low awareness, scary rumors, or cultural rules. Sometimes a mother needs permission just to leave home. Trusted leaders, local languages, two-way communication, and safe spaces for mothers build trust and counter misinformation. Fifth and sixth, conflict, emergencies, and weak data hide children. Partner with humanitarian agencies, set up pop-up posts, train community vaccinators, and use digital registries linked to birth records so every child counts. Zero dose isn't a statistic, it's a child with a name and a future. By breaking down barriers, together we can turn zero into hope.